In this video, I'll show you how to use error handling in an N8N workflow. First, log into your N8N account and open the workflow you want to protect from errors. Next, identify the nodes where an error could stop your automation. Now open one of those nodes and check the On Error setting. After that, choose the option that fits your workflow, such as Continue Regular Output or Continue Using Error Output. Next, add another node after the error output and choose what should happen when an error occurs, such as sending an email, creating a notification, or recording the error in a database. Now, if you want to handle errors across an entire workflow, create a separate error workflow and use the error trigger node. After that, add actions to the error workflow so you can receive details about failed executions and respond automatically. Next, test your setup by intentionally creating an error and running the workflow. Review the execution details and confirm that your error handling steps run correctly. Finally, save and activate the workflow so errors can be handled automatically during future executions. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use error handling in an N8N workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.